Hi, this is Darren with Brew with another tips and tricks video. Today I wanted to kind of show you our new coffee filter, center out forced infusion, and go through some of the little tips and tricks to deal with this filter when you're going through brewing. One of the first things you'll notice on the new filter is that we have closed legs, so you no longer have a little hook here that can grab the heating element if you accidentally rotate the filter during brewing. The next thing I wanted to show you was the putting the false bottom into the coffee filter with the infusion tube installed. So number one question we get is I can't get my false bottom into my filter because it's very tight tolerance. And see, if you're just trying to line it up, it's very difficult to try to get it in there. The easiest way to put this into the filter is to simply put it at a 45-degree angle and drop it into the bottom. So that's just a simple little trick. Same way with removing it. Pull it up at an angle, it'll come out very easily, and that's all you need to do there. Now, a new feature that we have on the filter is the cover locking device. Once you place your cover onto the filter, we've got a new handle. So our new handle is basically a formed steel rod, and the key to this is it's got some flat spots machined on both ends at about a 45-degree angle on the handle itself. So the way this gets installed is you'll see the notches that are on the filter. One comes in from one direction, and one goes in from the other with the flats facing up. They should be parallel to the ceiling. You see it goes in very, very easily. And then rotate the handle all the way back, the opposite direction from what it was leaning, and that locks the handle into position. You see it cannot get out of the tabs anymore, and that retains the cover. It also is locked in the vertical position, so when you're lowering the filter into the kettle or removing it using the handle, it's locking the cover on as well. But the thing to know that is at the time you're removing it using the infusion tube, you want to make sure that this handle is laying down and locked opposite the installation position. And to remove the handle, again, just rotate it to about 45 degrees in this direction, and you'll see the flats just slide out of the tabs. And that's all there is to removing the handle and the cover itself.